technical help video. This video will help you where you need to reset the Eicn fault on a Girbau EO series tumble dryer. When the display changes from the normal time to Eicn, as is now being shown, you need to press a series of buttons to reset it. Firstly, notice the start button is flashing. You need to press the stop button once, and then 3 to 5 seconds later a second time, and the display will change to your cycle. 3 to 5 seconds later press the start button and the display appears as Eicn, and then once more press the start button and the pause light comes on. Your dryer is now ready for you to start reusing. For any spare parts or consumables, please go to the link